Hello, and welcome to this video where we show what TwineCompile can do for your C++ development projects. As we all know, C++ takes a long time to compile. Faster hardware helps, but as projects get more complicated, compilers get more features, they just slow down. Let's take a look at a project that I've put together that demonstrates this problem. This project has 100 units. Yes, 100 units. And has been optimized to compile fairly quickly using the Clang compiler in Rad Studio 10.4. Let's go ahead and build this project. It's going to start compiling, go through the precompiled header in the first unit, and that's going to take a while. And once it reaches the actual units in the project, they're going to compile fairly quickly, possibly just under 1 a second. Yeah, probably about 1 a second. So this is probably compiling faster than the average project. Most projects are more complicated files that take a longer time to compile. So I'm going to cancel this. And let's see, what can TwineCompile do about this? So what is TwineCompile? TwineCompile is our solution to making your C++ Builder projects compile much faster. We have had users reporting TwineCompile makes their projects compile 50 times faster in certain circumstances using late generation AMD Ryzen processors. TwineCompile at its core is an extremely powerful and high-performance build engine that automatically distributes the project that you're compiling across all the cores and processors in your system to maximize the use of your available hardware. It also uses a very high-performance in-memory file caching system to optimize the way that the compiler reads and writes the files to avoid it having to perform expensive disk operations. Let's go ahead and install TwineCompile and see what it'll do for this project. I should point out that this is a 6-core with hyperthreading virtual machine that I'm installing TwineCompile into. If you use it on a bare metal hardware, you will notice even better performance. The installer automatically picks up that Rad Studio is installed and installs TwineCompile into it. Let's start up the IDE. You will see the plugin appear as a new IDE add-on. And once the IDE loads, you will notice that there is a new TwineCompile menu. There are a number of different options under there. We will get to that in another video. First, let's bring up our large project, which we looked at just a while ago, and take a look and see what's going to happen with TwineCompile installed. I'm going to use exactly the same build command that I used before, but this time you will note that TwineCompile has automatically taken control of the build process and starts compiling the build itself. You'll notice that with this compile, it's obviously running a lot faster, and it is compiling many units simultaneously, 12 in fact, because of the 6 cores plus hyperthreading. The compile is significantly faster, and it's basically finished already. It's just sitting compiling that one unit now that doesn't use the precompiled headers. All the other units have finished compiling. This is just how much faster TwineCompile will make your compiles. Now we're at the linking phase, and obviously this is a fixed time, and it's done. We didn't even wait for the other build to finish, so this is significantly faster. So, as you can see, TwineCompile installs very easily, simply, and quickly into the IDE. It automatically integrates with the IDE's build processes. There was nothing special we needed to do. We could keep using the IDE as we do today, and TwineCompile took care of making our compiles much faster. There's a lot more to TwineCompile which we will be showing in upcoming videos. But why not go and download a free trial of TwineCompile today, or alternatively, if you have an active Rad Studio 10.4 subscription, you can download TwineCompile 5.2 free of charge from the Get It package manager.